Happy Friday. There's a bird stuck in my fireplace and I don't know what to do. Oh my God, I never realized how dirty these glass doors were. He's in there. He was down here, like staring me down, okay? My cats are staked out here. I don't know where he went. I locked the cats downstairs. I've got a towel. I'm gonna try to catch this bird. I'm so scared. Oh my God. Now I can't close the door. Okay. Hello? Really do think it's gone, but I'm gonna stick my camera in there just to see. Sunny, get back.
Hello? Hello?
On the back wall of the fireplace.
Mama. Mama.
Oh my God. Oh. Okay, I've got gloves. I've got a towel. I'm gonna open the back door so I can just go straight out and let's just hope for the best. This bird has been in there too long. It's just a bird. I don't want it to die. It's just a bird. It's just a bird.
Yeah.
It's just a bird. The only thing we have to worry about is me not catching it, and then it's just flying loose around the house.
Yeah. Oh no.
It's the bird.
Yes.
Okay. You think I can do it?
Yeah.
Why can't I do this?
Why not?
It's just a bird.
Why not?
I don't know. I'm scared. Okay, watch out, Sunny.
Hey.
What? This is ridiculous. I have gloves on. Oh my God. Oh my God. I didn't do it. Why didn't I do it? Oh my God, I can't do this. Do I just go to the neighbor?
Yes.
I can do it.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna try to catch him in this pillowcase. My dad had a brilliant idea to try to catch him in a pillowcase. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm not even afraid of birds. What is happening? Here we go. I'm sorry, Sunny. The bird. I'm sorry, babe. Fuck. Oh my God, does anyone have any tips on how to catch a bird?